It's time to get dirty. We're installing a Provent oil catch can for Mitsubishi Triton and Pajero Sport models covering 2015 to 2025. Make sure to buy a quality catch can with a replaceable filter. For your safety, ensure the engine has cooled down before you begin. This is the existing hose from the engine rocker cover to the turbo. Take care not to burn yourself while working inside the engine bay. First, remove the engine cover. Just 3 bolts. Don't misplace them. Remove the factory breather pipe and the air filter housing. That's the breather hose removed. Time to partially remove the air filter housing. Start by loosening the intake air clamp. Slide the boot off and take care not to dislodge the circular clamp. Carefully unclip the MAF sensor cable. Now, locate the securing bolts and remove them, taking care not to drop them into the engine bay. Use a 10mm socket with extender. It's only 2 bolts. Don't lose them. Carefully detach the airbox and set it aside to make space for the installation. Now you're ready to assemble and fit the mounting brackets for the catch can. Take a good look at the image shown. The bracket comes in 2 pieces and the mounting locations are easy to find. Here's the first one. Tighten the nut onto the existing mount. Remove the existing nut to install the other bracket. Fit the bracket and secure it with the nut that you removed. Then, secure the brackets together with the bolts and nuts provided. You're more than halfway there. Time to finish the installation. Align the catch can ports as shown and secure the sleeve. Proceed to fit the drain hose. Assemble the hose to the shut-off valve using the Jubilee clamps. Route the hose through the engine bay down to the wheel arch. Take another look back at the illustration if you need. Fit the catch can, but make sure you've lined up the outlets as shown in the Step 4 illustration. Install the 2 securing nuts with washers. Secure the drain hose to the spigot on the bottom of the catch can. It's time to install the S-shaped hose to the lower outlet of the catch can, to the turbo intake. Pro tip: reuse the rubber hose protector from the original breather hose by adding it to the new S-shaped hose for added protection against hot surfaces. Install the lower hose. Double check that all Jubilee clamps are secure. Next, install the straight hose from the catch can top outlet across to the engine crankcase outlet. Secure the restraining clip or use a Jubilee clip. It's time to reinstall the air filter housing and engine cover, just the reverse of how you removed them. Secure the 3 bolts. Refit the air box and reattach the flexible rubber hose. Tighten the circular clip, making sure the hose is snug top and bottom. Refit the 2 bolts to secure the air box. Then reclip the MAF sensor cable to the air box. Check everything is secure and none of the hoses will contact any hot surfaces during operation. Get under the wheel arch. Trim back the drain hose as required using clamps and or zip ties. Please make sure the valve is in the closed position. Congratulations, you did it. Stay dirty.